Welcome to Choice Champions. The best crystal makeup is probably one of the most dazzling and transformative beauty trends to emerge in recent years, offering a unique way to express yourself through shimmering, multifaceted looks that catch the light with every movement. Imagine adorning your face with the ethereal glow of gemstones, creating a look that is both bold and delicate, perfect for special occasions or adding a touch of magic to your everyday style. This innovative approach to cosmetics goes beyond traditional pigments, incorporating fine, light-reflecting particles that mimic the natural brilliance of crystals, allowing you to craft looks that are truly out of this world. Number 5. 2000 PCS Flat Back Gems Rhinestone Set. Get a complete set of 2000 clear rhinestones in 6 different sizes. It also includes handy tools like a tweezer and a picking pen for effortless application. Our set comes with 2 professional pickup tools, a black tweezer and a gem picker. These make placing small gems and rhinestones precise and mess-free on any surface. Find the perfect size for any project with rhinestones ranging from 1.5 mm to 6 mm. They come neatly organized in a 12-grid box, keeping your supplies tidy and accessible. Crafted from real glass with multifaceted cuts, these rhinestones offer a brilliant shine. They are designed to resist yellowing and scratching, ensuring durability. These versatile gems are perfect for a wide range of uses. Decorate nails, wedding dresses, phone cases, or add sparkle to any DIY art project. What we like? This set offers a vast quantity of rhinestones in multiple sizes, complete with application tools. If you're looking to add sparkle to a large number of items or embark on extensive DIY projects, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who love to bedazzle clothing, shoes, bags, or create intricate crafts. What people say. The Crystal Makeup Organizer is a beautiful addition to my vanity. It has multiple compartments that are perfect for storing all my makeup brushes, lipsticks, and eyeshadow palettes. I love how sturdy and well-made this organizer is. The crystals are securely attached and don't seem like they will fall off easily. It's also very easy to clean. Number 4. BAGSMART Clear Toiletry Bag 2-Pack. This set of 2 bags is designed to meet TSA's 311 liquid rule, measuring 8.2 by 2 by 6 inches. Breeze through airport security with ease, saving you precious time and reducing travel stress. Crafted from thick, transparent PVC with reinforced seams, these bags are built to last and easy to clean. The waterproof material helps prevent leaks, keeping your belongings safe and dry. The transparent design and wide top opening allow for quick and easy access to all your essentials. Having 2 bags provides flexible storage for various items like travel bottles, cosmetics, and toiletries. Each pouch features a reliable zipper that opens and closes smoothly. If you notice any initial smell, simply wash and air out the bags in a well-ventilated area. Weighing less than a pound and TSA compliant, these bags are incredibly portable and fit perfectly into your carry-on. They are an ideal travel companion for anyone on the go. Looking for a practical gift? This set makes an excellent choice for friends, family, or colleagues who frequently travel for business or leisure. What we like? This is a practical set of clear toiletry bags designed for efficient travel. If you frequently fly and want to streamline your airport security experience, these are ideal. Their waterproof nature and transparent design make them perfect for keeping your liquids organized and easily accessible. What people say. The makeup is very pigmented and blends easily. It has a beautiful shimmer that catches the light. The packaging is elegant and feels luxurious. Number 3. Ogee Face Stick Crystal Collection Trio. Discover the ultimate contouring experience with our new Crystal Collection Trio. This set is designed to sculpt and enhance your natural features effortlessly. Crafted with certified organic ingredients, each stick provides a smooth, blendable application. You can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. This collection acts as your all-in-one contour palette. It includes everything you need to define, add color, and illuminate your complexion. Achieve a sun-kissed glow with the bronzer stick, add a flush of color with the blush stick, and highlight your best features with the luminous highlighter stick. Elevate your makeup routine with these easy-to-use sticks. They are perfect for creating a polished look whether you're at home or on the go. Experience the magic of a perfectly sculpted face with this curated trio. It's the essential addition to any makeup bag for achieving a radiant finish. What we like? This collection offers a versatile trio for facial contouring, blushing, and highlighting in a convenient stick format. If you prefer a natural, organic makeup approach and want a simple, multifunctional product for on-the-go touch-ups or a complete look, this is for you. It's perfect for those seeking a streamlined makeup routine with clean ingredients. What people say. This makeup organizer is very sturdy and well-made, with a good weight to it. The clear acrylic allows you to see all your makeup easily, and it spins smoothly. It holds a lot of makeup, including taller bottles and brushes, and keeps everything organized and accessible. Number 2. Colorful Rhinestone Kit for Makeup and Nail Art. Discover a vibrant collection of rhinestones in various colors and finishes. Perfect for adding sparkle to your face makeup and nail art. This all-in-one kit includes colorful rhinestones, crystal AB, and transparent white gems. You'll also find quick-dry makeup glue, a picker pencil, and tweezers for easy application. Achieve stunning results with our user-friendly tools. The included glue dries quickly, ensuring your gems stay in place. Elevate your style for any occasion. These gems are perfect for bedazzling your face makeup and creating intricate nail art designs. Add a touch of glamour to your look with these dazzling flat-back rhinestones. Let your imagination run wild and create unique, eye-catching designs. Get salon-quality results without leaving your home. This kit provides everything you need for professional-looking embellishments. What we like. This kit provides a vibrant array of rhinestones and face gems, along with essential tools and fast-drying glue. If you're interested in creative makeup looks, especially for festivals or special events, this set is fantastic. It's ideal for anyone wanting to experiment with bold, colorful embellishments on their face or nails. What people say. The Crystal Makeup Organizer is a beautiful addition to my vanity, with its sparkling facets that catch the light. It has multiple compartments of varying sizes, perfect for storing brushes, lipsticks, and palettes. The sturdy construction ensures it can hold a good amount of makeup without wobbling. Number 1. LPBeads Hotfix Rhinestones, Clear AB, 5 mixed sizes. Add a dazzling touch to your crafts with these Clear AB Hotfix Rhinestones. They come in 5 mixed sizes to suit all your creative needs. Crafted from quality crystal glass, these round gems offer brilliant shine. Their flat-back design makes them perfect for easy application. Whether you're decorating clothing, accessories, or DIY projects, these versatile rhinestones are an excellent choice. They bring a professional sparkle to any design. Get started right away with the included tweezers and picking pen. These tools ensure precise placement and make the application process effortless. With 6,400 pieces in each set, you'll have more than enough to complete multiple projects. Let your imagination run wild with this abundant supply. These Hotfix rhinestones are designed for simple heat application. Just use a Hotfix applicator tool to securely attach them to your desired materials. What we like. This is a massive set of Hotfix rhinestones, offering exceptional value and variety in sizes. If you have large-scale crafting or fashion projects that require a significant amount of embellishment, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for designers, crafters, or anyone looking to add a consistent sparkle to numerous items efficiently. What people say. The crystal makeup is beautiful and sparkly. It looks very elegant and luxurious. The packaging is also very nice and makes it a great gift. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.